Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Now, in the last podcast, we learned the word cheesy, right? We're going to go back to the noun cheese. And everybody, you know what cheese is, right? Cheese is something you eat. But not always. Check out the dialogue. Oh, no beans, honey?
No, not after last time.
Oh, but your soup without beans, it's not the same.
You cut the cheese for a week after last time. No more beans for you.
No beans allowed. Do you like beans? B-E-A-N-S, beans. Not green beans. Other types of beans. In America, we have the expression that beans, the magical fruit. Beans, I don't think, are a fruit. They're a vegetable, but that's what we say. The more you eat, the more you toot. I'll say it again. Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. And what that means is if you eat lots of beans, you will toot a lot. And what does toot mean? Yeah, fart or pass gas or fluctuate or cut the cheese. To fart, to pass gas, to fluctuate, to cut the cheese. They're all the same. Now, why do we say cut the cheese for farting? Because, truth be known, many cheeses smell bad, or they don't smell good, or they have a strong smell. So if you have some smelly cheese and you cut it, ooh, wait, it smells. Who farted? Who cut the cheese? Who passed gas? Yeah, same thing. So that's the situation. Cut the cheese. Yeah, it's a great expression, and it's clean, okay? Ladies, you can use it. Guys, you can use it. You could even use it in a business meeting or in an elevator. If somebody actually did cut the cheese, you could say, oh, my God, did somebody cut the cheese? Yeah. Maybe in a elevator full of lawyers, maybe not. Or in an elevator full of, I'm not going to say that. But generally you can say that. All right. So the dialogue, no beans, honey. Oh, so the wife gave the husband some soup and he's eating the soup, but inside the soup there are no beans. Oh my God. And the wife says, no, not after last time. So last time she gave him lots of beans, but not again, not after last time. Since last time, I will not give you any more beans. And the husband says, but your soup without beans, it's not the same. With beans, it's so much better. And the wife said, you cut the cheese for a week after last time. You killed me for a week after last time. For 1 week, every time I saw you, you were killing me for a week. No more beans for you. That's what the wife said. Yeah, it's a good dialogue. You guys join my community, school.com/LME, SKOOL.com/LME. We have so much fun, so many live classes. I want to see you there. It is free to join. So make sure you join us. Check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English. Oh, no beans, honey?
No, not after last time.
Oh, but your soup without beans, it's not the same.
You cut the cheese for a week after last time. No more beans for you.
Oh, no beans, honey?
No, not after last time.
Oh, but your soup without beans, it's not the same.
You cut the cheese for a week after last time. No more beans for you.